Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a walkthrough of one of my newest mini albums. This is in the Great Outdoors collection by Mintai, and I decided to do a camera book. This one is super easy to make, interactive, and perfect for Father's Day. As you can see, I just absolutely love this collection. I love the colors. All the images are just so pretty. So this book measures 8 by 7 inches and it has 4 different sections. This is one of my class kits, so you can find the kits on my website. You can also find the video class by itself option. Everything will be listed down below. And now let's take a look. So on the front here we have the lens of the camera, which is the image of this father fishing with his son. I think it is so beautiful and precious, and again, Father's Day will be a really nice occasion for this book, but any vacation trip in general as well. So this lens spins around here, and that opens up the book. And actually, let me show you the sides, how these look. The spine for this book is 3 inches. And now let's take a look on the inside. So I love all the different features, so I'm excited to share with you. So on the inside front cover, which is my first section here, we have a sliding kind of like a Polaroid section. It's a little bit larger than a Polaroid, but I just like having this sliding feature, and you can put different size pictures here. I put some of the ephemera from the collection, but you can definitely use a white gel pen and put a picture and then just kind of write down the memory here, do a little journaling, and then this whole thing closes up like that. Then here we have these 2 side pages, so I'm calling this side page number 1, and this is basically a beautiful display, a beautiful frame, and I just love the camping, the little dog. But what I wanted to do here was a kind of like an interactive picture display. So when you open this up, we have here dimensional pockets, and then we have some cards that we can use to put some pictures. And so I have a few of these, and so you will put your picture here, and then you can store the other ones, and then these will go inside my display frame, and you can display any picture that you like, and you can switch it up. And then we have this little tab showing, so I just love this idea. And then of course you can also just have the background paper there if you like that, and then you can go ahead and store your additional pictures on there, and you can always change the front instead of gluing the picture. So I just really like that dynamic idea. And then over here you can add a picture, same thing on this side. And then for the back of this section, we have 2 cascading pockets. So over here we have some of the 4 by 3 cards of the collection, and then you can use the back to add a picture or journaling. And then here's the next one, and then the next one here. I just love the animals. The landscape is just so pretty. And then over here, same thing, we have some of the 4 by 3 cards, so you can again add a picture on the back, or you can just simply put a picture here instead of the 4 by 3 cards. And here you have the cascading pockets, and then these 2 open up, and you can add a picture back there. And then we have the beautiful image. Then of course you can add your pictures here as well. And now I'm just gonna close these up and add all of these cards back in place. So we're gonna put that here, and then this little guy right there, and then this one right here. And I have tons of ephemera left and some of the 6x6. On this kit you get the 12x12, you get some of the 6x6, and then you also have a lot of the ephemera pieces that, as you can see, I have tons to continue decorating. I also have some 12x12 leftovers, so maybe I can do a little kind of like a layout, 12 by 12 layout too. So I'm just saving some of the beautiful images. Here is the side page number 2. So this one goes on the right side of the spine, and again the beautiful landscape image, and this is a gatefold, and so it opens up like that. Here we have another image from the collection. You can add pictures. You can of course add pictures anywhere, but you can do some journaling on the white cardstock. And this is an accordion page, so this opens up like this, and then these two open up like that. So just white cardstock where you will put pictures. These are from the 6x6 paper collection, and then this opens to the other side here, and then these two open up, and then this opens again. So we have another page here and place for a picture, and then this is a little booklet. So this comes out and it's like a little file folder page, so you can put some cards in here, you can put pictures, journaling, and I just love the image. And then there's a pocket, so you can add more in there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down and close that up. And then this also opens to this side here, and this is probably my favorite page. So over here we have a beautiful image. You can add a picture here, but also I created this spinning wheel display, so you can add a picture here, and then you can spin around and again switch the image, so you can put 4 circle pictures right there, and then just display whichever you like. And I do have a magnet, so this will always stay with one of the images instead of kind of just spinning around, so it will magnetize in place there. So I just love how that turned out. I haven't used that layout in a while, and I just wanted to bring that back. And then here on the center, again, the beautiful camping image. I just love this little dog. And then this page opens to the side, here again, and then place for a picture. This opens to the side again. So over here I did a little bit of paper collage because I only had this little bit left, and then just complemented with that. And then at the center here, I wanted this to be like a frame, so we have one of the 6x6 and then some of this background paper here, and then this page slides to the top. Okay, so this slides up, again, place for a picture. I just used the 6x6 papers here, but you can skip these and just put white cardstock and add your picture on top. This slides up again, so we're just gonna close that up, and then slides open, another place for a picture, and then you close that up, and then it slides open again. So you have 4 different sections, and again the beautiful 6x6 display of this paper collection. And that all goes back to the center, and it closes up like that. And so that is the Great Outdoors camera book. Very interactive, very easy to make, super easy instructions for you to follow and make your own. And I hope you guys like it. So I will have the link to the kits on the description box below. You can find the kits on my website, and again you can also do a video class only for this book. And this book will also be listed for sale, so everything will be on the description box below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a while since I have been making my class kits, but I actually have new kits that I'm going to be sharing with you real soon, and I'm excited for you guys to see them. And yeah, so I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.